Hey, Trina Felber here, and today I am mouthing off about whiter teeth and everything you need to know about LED teeth whitening. There are all sorts of factors that can cause your teeth to become discolored, but the most common reasons are coffee drinking, tea drinking, red wine drinking, smoking, and even some foods. Even getting older can impact the brightness and the whiteness of our teeth. As our enamel layer on the teeth starts to thin, we're more susceptible to stains. So how do you get whiter teeth without using horrible tasting bleaching chemicals and without having sensitivity issues during and after the treatment and without expensive dentist visits? Well, the solution is easy. It's an LED teeth whitening kit that you can easily do at home. You can easily whiten your teeth at home with all natural ingredients and an LED light, and for only the fraction of a cost of the dentist visit. What is LED light, you might be asking? Well, LED stands for light emitting diode. It's a device that releases light when an electrical current is present. The light can be any color on the visible light spectrum, such as blue or red. LED lights are very bright, but they don't put off as much heat as incandescent or halogen lamps do. And the biggest benefit of LED light is that it's really efficient. It's always at its highest intensity, so there's absolutely zero warm-up period. When it comes to using LED light on your teeth, you just have to plug it in or turn it on and you're ready to go right away. So when combined with a whitening agent, LED light can help speed up the reaction of the light with the agent. Even better, when you use more than one color of light, such as red and blue, you get more than one benefit. So blue LED light helps to whiten the teeth, while red LED light promotes wound healing and tissue repair. It's incredible what can happen to your smile with just a little light therapy and a whitening agent that's made with all natural ingredients. So you might be asking, is LED light safe? So if you're like me, you get worried about things, and you might wonder about the LED light. If you're worried about light exposure and the potential for an increased risk of cancer and any other problems, I can tell you don't have to worry at all. LED light is visible, which means it doesn't cause ionizing radiation. If you compare this to like UV light from the sun and the damage that that can cause. So you can whiten your teeth without the worry of any kind of cell mutation or any other harmful effects. Remember the blue LED light that I was talking about? Another awesome benefit is its antibacterial properties. Studies have found that blue light kills off the bad bacteria that causes tartar buildup and bad breath. It can also lessen the risk of gum disease, cavities, and other oral health issues. So you've probably seen advertisements for at-home teeth whitening kits before. However, these kits use harmful bleach to achieve whiter teeth. But there's an alternative. You can go natural to get the same results. Natural LED whitening kits use safe, natural ingredients. And some of the ingredients to look for include essential oils, clays, olive oil, and activated charcoal. An all-natural LED whitening kit will only work as hard as you do to whiten your teeth. Your teeth will only stay white if you take proper care of them. And this starts with daily brushing and flossing. Make sure you're tackling the daily residue that can build up to prevent future discolorations on your teeth. Also, make sure that you quit any unhealthy habits that you have that can discolor your teeth and impact your smile. These could include smoking and eating too much sugar or processed foods. Having a whiter smile can be absolute life-changing. Right off the bat, you are going to have way more confidence. Don't let a less than stellar smile impact your daily life any longer. Invest in an all-natural and 100% safe LED teeth whitening kit. In a few short sessions, you'll have an envious, whiter and brighter smile. I'm Trina, and I want to thank you for mouthing off with me on how to have a whiter, brighter smile using a natural LED whitening kit at home. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to keep learning how to create your healthy self. See you next time.